to kind of go right into the next question I had about those video campaigns, what do you find most challenging about them?
Well, I guess it changed. It's changed a lot since the beginning. What we find most challenging, I mean, at the beginning, most challenging, was, finding good content is like, that's one of the hardest things always. But I guess when we first launched it, there was this like, it needs to be perfect and to look good, and the sound, right? It needs to be great, which, we talked about. And then slowly you start to realize that's just do it and just get it out there. I think a lot of people kind of use that as an excuse. I have plenty of times.
Yes.
It's not perfect. You can't do it. You can't do it. And you just got to do it, get it out there, and then start kind of toning back. So that was one of the biggest challenges, is just me personally overcoming that perfectionist thing, of having it perfect. We can't do this and all that.